I heard people are making money from YouTube shorts. So naturally, I posted a video of my cat sneezing 14 times. 500,000 views later. I made drumroll, please, $2.17. But then I learned, it's not just about views. You can make money from shorts, ad revenue, brand deals, affiliate links, selling stuff like a course on how to sneeze like a cat. Hi, this is my mug. You can buy it, it holds water. Like a pro. Your weird idea might just make you YouTube rich or at least buy you a large coffee. Can you earn money from shorts? Yes. Will it be instant? No. Is it fun? Absolutely. Hit that follow for more YouTube truth bombs and ridiculous ideas that actually work.